Do you think becoming a Delta ramp agent is just loading bags? One failed assessment can end your hiring journey before the interview. Delta looks for much more than physical strength. So here's exactly how to prepare and maximize your chances of getting hired. First, let's know what is the Delta ramp agent assessment. So basically, it is a pre-employment screening used by Delta Airlines to evaluate whether applicants have the qualities needed to work safely and efficiently as airport ramp agents. Format and structure. While the exact assessment may vary by hiring location, it typically follows this structure as shown in the image. The assessment primarily consists of multiple choice questions, and you will answer situational judgment scenarios by choosing the most appropriate response to workplace situations. Complete personality and work style statements using an agreement or rating scale, and answer safety-related questions that assess your judgment around safe work practices. Keep in mind, no advanced math or technical aviation knowledge is typically required. Why does Delta use this assessment? Basically, the goal is to identify candidates who can work safely around aircraft and ground equipment, perform well under time pressure, communicate effectively with teammates, follow standard operating procedures, and deliver reliable performance in a safety-critical environment. Another question is, what does a Delta ramp agent actually do? The main duties include loading and unloading baggage and cargo, operating ground support equipment, following strict safety procedures, working as part of a team, assisting with aircraft turnaround, and working outdoors in all weather conditions. BMH expert tip: always prioritize safety, teamwork, and company procedures. So if two answers seem correct, choose the safest and most professional option. This was all. Thanks for watching.